Here it is, Cinnamon Toast Crunch Pretzels with a cream cheese icing. So good. What is up, YouTube? I'm Debo, and I'm coming at you from a different part of the home. I'm coming at you in the downstairs kitchen for this video. In this video, I will be making Cinnamon Toast Crunch pretzels. I saw it on TikTok, so I'm going to be trying it out. But I have did this already a couple times, and my family seems to enjoy them, as I knew they would, of course. But yeah, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch pretzels, everything's from the Dollar Tree. But I use my own stuff, so some of the stuff you see in the video is from stuff I already had at the house. But everything you see in this video, you better find in the Dollar Tree besides butter. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we get to the ooey gooey goodness of the pretzels, in this video also you will see that today is December 9th, my dad's birthday. You will see a few clips from my dad's birthday. He had he wanted us to cook collard greens with smoked meat in them, hog maws, and egg bones and cornbread. He's an old-fashioned type eater, like a southern old-fashioned type eater. Comment down below if you one of those people that like food like that. And so that's what we cooked. And then for dessert, his favorite thing to eat for dessert is pecan pies. My sister and brother made pecan pies, and they were real good, real good. It's a family recipe for the pecan pies. Can't get it out though. Sorry. But let's get into the video.
A few moments later.
It's not the gift, it's the thought. Oh Lord. I'm glad they got the thing on. I'm about to get you to read this because I ain't got my glasses. I won't have my glasses on because he's gonna do the card. Matter of fact, I'll let Trey Bond stuff here first. You gotta step beside me when you read it. I would read it out loud, but I ain't got the glasses. I don't want to wear my glasses on this video.
It then helps you grow into who you are, who you were meant to be. You may not hear it as much as
you gotta start over. You gotta stand close to me. Don't be standing way over there. Somebody might think you're reading to John.
A dad helps you grow into who you were meant to be. You may not hear it as much as you should, but having a dad like you is really a blessing, and you are appreciated on your birthday every day. Happy birthday, your son Trayvon.
Hey.
My daughter up next.
Exploded on me today.
That's good.
It's my daughter. You gotta get closer to me today.
It says, to Dad from Bree, happy 52nd birthday.
57 or what?
52nd.
Oh, I thought you said 7.
52. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It says, from your daughter.
From who?
Your daughter.
Okay.
From your daughter. Ever since I was a little girl, you've been such an important part of my life. I've always known I could depend on your love and support no matter what. On your birthday, if I could give you anything in return for all you've given me, it would have to be the love I always hold in my heart for you. Happy birthday. Love always, Karen.
No, I need a hug for my daughter. I need a kid. I need a kid for my daughter. All right, deep neck. Oh, okay. All right. You gotta stand close to typical. You don't want to think you read the same on. It's DA every time.
Here's to the dad whose principles and values shaped my own, who gave me so much patience, love, and time.
Still I couldn't. So.
Here's to the dad whose principles and values shaped my own, who gave me so much patience, love, and time. Here's to the dad I wouldn't trade for any father in the world. I feel so proud and blessed to call you my father. Happy birthday, Dad. With love always, D. Avery.
Oh, Lord. Hey. All right, that's the Avery. Oh, you think you know better than that. I know you're doing something. I believe it. Thank you. I know you're doing something. You think you can talk? Yeah, you tall. You probably get out one knee. You get it? Yeah, you can sit on the stool. Yeah.
To Dad.
To who?
To Dad. Says, if you can guess the number printed inside this birthday card, you will win $1 million. I'll even give you a hint. It's between 3 and 5.
3,000.
It's 53.
4,000.
It's 53 and 4. Wait, how many? Wait, what's the number?
It's between 3 and 5.
Oh, yeah.
Between 3 and 5? 4. Between 3 and 5?
It's 4.35.
Oh, the million. Okay.
Yeah. So close. It's happy birthday, though, Dad. Love always, Josh.
Say what now?
Happy birthday, Dad. Love always, Josh.
Love this side. This last part.
Love always, Josh.
Oh,
Josh from Shank.
okay. All right.
Oh.
Get it, D?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you all. From who?
Mama.
Oh. You gonna read this? She told you to read it? Open it up.
She told me to give it to me.
Oh. Somebody gonna have to, well, I should just let her read it. Listen, I ain't got my glasses on. Tell Pump, you open up and read it. You're taking another place.
It says, thank you. It says, to my husband, my one and only.
What?
It makes me so happy
So,
for my husband, my one and only. It makes me so happy to be married to my very best friend, the one I trust with all my feelings, my hopes and dreams. Your love and support mean more to me than you'll ever know.
we friends.
It says, on this special day that celebrates your life, I realize even more how blessed I am to be sharing my life with you. With all my love on your birthday and always. Love always, your wife Tracy. And then there's a Bible quote that says, this is my beloved and this is my friend. Song of Solomon 5:16.
Okay. That's from his mom. What this one?
It says, sorry, I don't have cash. It says, sorry, I don't have cash. And this is the gift she gave you.
That's the gift she gave me? Should I own it? No? Yeah. What?
Don't be doing foolish stuff like that.
Wait a minute. Why would they put that in the mail? I've been calling him back. He worried about the cars and stuff. Like, she always get mad at me for hunting. She got me a hunting stool. Ain't that something? Now, she get mad at me hunting. She got me a hunting stool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Always getting upset because I'm hunting. She bought me a hunting stool. We wait. I'm going to text her.
It was that little zipper part.
Yeah, that's what shells and stuff go in. Look at that. I always complaining about me hunting. You know what? I'm gonna go hunting tomorrow. I'm gonna be gone when you come. Well, what you did? I'm hunting. You gave you a hunting stool. Oh wow! Thank y'all so much for my gifts. And you get to have kids. You get to have kids. You still have kids. I thank y'all. That's up.
2 hours later.
Here are the ingredients you will need to make this yummy recipe. You will need cinnamon sugar, butter, cream cheese, buttered flavored cooking spray or any non-stick spray, pretzels, got those from Dollar Tree, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. All these items you can find in Dollar Tree. So right now I'm just putting the non-stick spray on my pan. Make sure you spray your pan down so it won't stick. I sprayed it vigorously. These pretzels came from Dollar Tree. I prefer these over the bag pretzels that they have because they have a better taste. Right now I'm just going to open these up, put them on my baking sheet. Is this a recipe you guys want to try out? Comment down below. Moving on to the next step. Right now I'm going to butter these pretzels up. I have my butter right here. Butter them one by one. Make sure you butter up real good because butter make it what? Taste better. I already know. Oh yeah, and make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to cook these for 10 minutes, checking within 5-minute interval. Now I got my Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal right here, as you can see. I have my box right here. And now I'm just gonna lay it on the table and pound these a little bit to a crumble, but not too much. You wanna still let it resemble Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I'm gonna pound away, pound. I got my Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal all crushed up now. Now it's time to spread them out evenly onto all the pretzels. Make sure you get it in the middle so the butter can melt down and give you that ooey gooey goodness. Sweet but salty. Oh, so good. Y'all, this is something relatively cheap and simple. Something to do with your kids. Spend more quality time with your kids. It's a reward worth the wait. A late night snack, if you want to call it that. Something that's make you want more and more every time you make them. Now let's move on to the next step. Right now I have my cinnamon sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle over these. Now that in the TikTok video, she didn't do this, but I'm going to do it. This gives it that extra flavor. Just in case the Cinnamon Toast Crunch didn't cover the pretzels completely. What's a pretzel? Who? Haha, I'm just kidding. You guys, they're done. Look how good this look. Now I'm going to pour my cream cheese on top that I melted in microwave for 30 seconds. Drizzle all that over there. This velvety goodness. Also found in Dollar Tree, I might add. Look at that. Look good already. I know. I did that. Eating while they're hot. Y'all, you get 6 pretzels for $1. You can sell these and make more money. Wait, that wasn't an idea right there. Cause I have my brother, he's about to try one, even though he got one.
Let's see how it tastes. I heard that click. Really good. Tastes just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch without the milk though.
Okay, as y'all see from him, he says really, really good, real good.
If I know Western Pretzel.
Western Pretzel, yeah.
Western Pretzel, that's what that is.
Western Pretzel.
Y'all can come get some of these
For the cheap.
and for a gift. Some food.